Here we are at HOPETOWN Darlington. The plants so you can all see. You've got the good shed and that there, and then the station and the A1 group buildings and that. But this highway hasn't half changed. And we've got the original station building here, which is part of the museum, always was. And this is the main entrance where you go in there. And there's the carriage works over there, where the A1 group used to be on Nelpeg. And you've got the 37 there, look, and the kids play area thing. So they've done quite a good bid to it. It's nice, looks good. We'll go and have a look in it, yeah, and then we'll go over there to go and have a look at the engine. It's like inside, first glimpses. That's a beautiful staircase. And got the signalling gear here. An original signal look, ground signal, and a route indicator. Oh, beautiful staircase, absolutely gorgeous look. Oh. I love that in my house. It is the ticket. This is the ticket office. North Road Station. An original clock up there, look. A nice long near fireplace there.
My family has worked on the railways in Darlington for generations, and one by one we've all fallen in love with the sights, the sounds and the smells of working with steam locomotives. There really is not.
There's a train in the station, the 156. So it's heading to Bishop, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Bishop Auckland bound service. Which is brilliant, like, really good. Museum's in a hellish place, right at the train station. You can catch a train from anywhere in the UK to here. Get off and have a look around the museum. And there you go. And we've got this beautiful locomotive here, look. You'll see these Northorns, number 39. I really like this one, and a pause. You can see there's been a bit of work getting done inside here. This carriage was at Shulden for a long time. It is reputed to be haunted, this coach. Apparently there's been a ghost scene in that. I'll have a walk on the down and away from all these people. Next to this gorgeous logo. We used to have a few locos in here. Derwent used to be in here in locomotion, but they're now elsewhere.
the countdown.
There's the children walking around. Some of which are going to be run. Hey guys, this loco should really be in the National Railway Museum, but it's nice out here. It's very pragmatic, you know, look at the cab. Not much protection for the driver and fireman really. Wait, driver, because fireman was this end I think. $18.45. And there's another plate. Fireman would have put this fire, look. So bigger than I thought it was, like. It's tender. Oh, what is that? Off the kitchen. Yes, and they are wheels up. Where they got them from? It's just a replica. Quarter of how things used to be.
Mr. Stevenson? Passengers, Mr. Pease. If you could board a locomotive in Darlington and then take it to Manchester, Birmingham, or even London in a matter of hours, what would you say to that?
You were talking of a network of railways powered by steam capable of covering great distances.
And at speed, Mr. Pease. Faster than a simple horse, in fact faster than anything you can imagine.
This would be a great asset to industry. To the country, it would be a great asset to the people.
It would be a great asset to the Stockton and Darlington Railway, Mr. Pease.
And this is what we've come to see, people. The replica. Locomotion, look. And the train. It's going to run from Shildon all the way to Stockton at some point. I don't even know the dates of when it's going to happen. There is apparently other cauldron wagons as well. And if you've got some money, you can fund one. But unfortunately, on the day, you won't be allowed to stand in it. You're only allowed to stand in the coach, which is that. And apparently tickets are being put into a hat and a lucky dip getting pulled out. But you've got to be within the group to be even considered to have your name put in the hat. Which is a real shame, because it should have been open anyway. This building's well changed over the years. Nelpeg and Tornado A1 group used to be in here. You can see the original wooden beams in the roof. I think this side used to be the A1 group, and then the other end used to be Nelpeg, where Joe M was at. No, that's wrong, because it says Loughborough, but apparently it's going to Weardale. It says about Westo Engineering. Well, my dad was one of the people who worked on the boiler, the original replica. Well, that's from the cavalcade in 1975.